7 online hustles you can do from anywhere in the world. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to earn money online from anywhere, whether you're in Europe, Africa, Asia, or just on the move, this video is for you. Yesterday, we talked about physical hustles you can do in Europe, but today, let's dive into the digital world. These online hustles need nothing but a laptop, a smartphone, and a reliable internet connection. Let's jump into the 7 best online hustles for 2025 and beyond. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing means offering your skills to clients online. There are millions of people and businesses looking for help with writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, virtual assistants, and more. Examples: use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. If you're good at writing, offer blog writing or copywriting services. If you know how to edit videos, pitch YouTubers or content creators. Graphic design, sell logos, social media banners, or thumbnails. Freelancing gives you freedom. You choose your clients, your schedule, and your rates. 2. Selling digital products. Digital products are items you create once and sell many times online. Examples: e-books, templates, CV templates, resume layouts, business plans, printable planners, online courses. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and Etsy are perfect for this hustle. For instance, if you're good at budgeting, you could sell a downloadable budget planner. It's passive income. You make money even when you sleep. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Examples: join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok account where you review or talk about products. Include affiliate links in your content. If someone clicks and buys, you earn a cut.
5. Content creation. If you enjoy being on camera, writing, or recording audio, content creation can be your hustle. Examples: start a YouTube channel on a topic you love, travel, tech, motivation, etc. Launch a podcast and monetize through sponsorships. Become a TikTok content creator and use the Creator Fund or brand deals. Content creation takes consistency and time to grow, but it gives you full control over your brand and income streams. 6. Online tutoring and teaching. Are you good at math, languages, music, or science? Share your knowledge online. Examples: teach English on platforms like Cambly, Preply, or italki. Tutor high school or college students in your strong subjects via Wyzant or Chegg Tutors. Offer Zoom classes in music, art, or fitness. You don't always need a teaching degree.
Why should those opportunities be learned? Why should those opportunities be learned?
1. Flexibility and freedom. One of the biggest benefits of online income is flexibility. You can work anywhere, anytime. Whether you're in your bedroom, a coffee shop, or even traveling, your office is just your laptop or smartphone. Example: Sarah, a single mother, works as a freelance graphic designer on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. She creates logos and designs in the evening after putting her kids to bed and earns enough to pay her bills, all without leaving her house. You don't need to follow strict office hours. You create your own schedule. 2. Low startup costs. Starting a business in the real world often requires renting space, buying equipment, or hiring staff. But with online hustles, you can start with almost nothing. Example: James started a YouTube channel using just his phone and free video editing apps. He focused on travel content, and after a few months, his videos began gaining views. Now he earns through ads, affiliate marketing, and brand partnerships, all with minimal initial investment. Most online opportunities require just a device, internet connection, and your skills or creativity. 3. Multiple streams of income. Online income gives you the chance to build more than one source of money at the same time. Example: Linda is a virtual assistant who also sells digital products like ebooks on Gumroad, and she teaches English online via Preply. By combining these three sources, she earns consistently, and even if one slows down, the others keep her going. You don't have to rely on just one job. With multiple streams, you get better financial security. 4. Global opportunities. The internet opens the door to a global marketplace. You're not limited to your local area, you can work with clients or customers from around the world. Example: a young man from Kenya offers website development services on freelancer.com and serves clients from the US, UK, and Australia. He charges in dollars, which gives him a great advantage in his local economy. Whether it's selling handmade crafts on Etsy or offering language lessons on Italki, the world is your market. 5. Personal growth and skill building. Working online pushes you to learn new skills, stay updated, and grow personally. You learn time management, communication, marketing, and so much more. Example: Amara began writing blog articles to earn side income. Over time, she learned about SEO, content marketing, and even built her own website. Now, she not only earns but has also built a valuable skill set she can use anywhere. Online work is not just about money, it's about becoming a better version of yourself. As you can see, using the internet to earn money is not just about making cash, it's about freedom, learning, and building your own path. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for a side hustle, the opportunities are endless. Which benefit inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments. And as always, if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs to hear this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.